Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can collaborate on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and if we want to collaborate on Instagram story, we have to be tagged or mentioned in someone else's Instagram story. And after we have been tagged or mentioned, we will get the notification on our Instagram direct message. So first of all, we can go to our Instagram direct message, and this is the account who mentioned me in a story. We can click on it. Then if we want to collaborate on the story, we can click on add to your story. Then you can tap on the photo like this to get the full screen. And before you repost the story to your Instagram, you can add tag, sticker, or music maybe. And once you're ready to post the story, you can click on your story, so the story will be shared to your Instagram. And now the story is being uploaded, and I'm going to check it, guys. Okay, this is the story, and we can see the collaboration right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can collaborate on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.